Hi folks and welcome. This is an online tutorial for using Google Maps. This is a type of place-based learning. So each student is required to draw up a description on Google Maps of a tree of their choice, whether it be coniferous or deciduous. You will demonstrate what you have learned with your peers through Google Maps, and upon completing their task, you will have a collection of the knowledge learned. So the questions needed to be answered are here. Use any location in the world and pick a tree native to the area. So we can see our map here. So in the tropics, you have mahogany. That's around the Brazil, around the equator there. So Ireland, you would have ash. This is the kind of green belt here. So in Google Maps, you'll mark your location on the map. You'll also title it, and you'll put in any info you have learned about the tree with images and videos. So you'll click this link here, one click, and this is what will come up, Google Maps. So up here you'll sign in. I am already signed in. So when you're happy with that, you will go over here to the menu button. You will go to your places. So click maps. We want to create a new map. So this is a map that the whole class will be using. So I will name it for you. Uh, so here you'll put in your description. So what we have learned. Keep it short and sweet. So here we have an automatic layer. Now, for yourselves, if you're, I'm gonna have this name for myself. So for John or Mary or whoever, you'll just click add layer and you will rename that one. So process of renaming is here. So Liam is my name, and I'll write the tree after it. So I'll pick Ash. Save. As you can see, I have my own one name there. So yeah, happy. We will pick our location now. So I'm from Donegal. So see this here, add marker. Click it. Click anywhere here. So point one, we want to name Ash 3. And here this is where you write your information. So I'm only going to do a short write up here. So Ash is the most common tree found in Ireland. It is commonly used for furniture, hurleys, and wood veneers. So when you've answered everything as regards to what you think you know about the tree, you'll hit save. See there, we have everything there. So the next thing I want to show you now is how to add in an image or video. So you can see here. Now, if you have photos on your computer, you'll just go upload. If you get an image URL which is available up at the top of your screen, you'll hit that, put it in. But I'm actually going to do a Google image search, so I'll type in Ash3 search. Try and find a good one here. Hit select. Now, drag it down. So you can see there I have one of one. So if I have a collection of photos and videos that I think are relevant, I'll have one of say 7, 2 of 7, 3 of 7, etc. So all I do now is hit save if I'm happy. So I want to show you now how to add in a video. Same thing again, but you actually go over to more. You can put in a YouTube URL or YouTube search. So put in Ash3, search. So YouTube has a great selection, so I just use the first one here, for example. As I was saying, once you have items in, it adjusts, so 1 off 2, 2 off 2. So just double check everything's working.
Alright everybody, so I'm going to show you how to identify an ash tree, and specifically a dead or dying ash tree. That way you can find the tree.
Now, that man was just doing a quick introduction on an ash tree, how to identify it, etc. So I'm happy that the video is working. So I'll just hit save. I'm happy. So the other thing I want to show you now is, if I exit out of that, our icon here. So we want to change our icons. Yeah, you go here. See this wee icon here? Hit it. You go more icons. So you get a great selection here. This is great. This activity, you would do outdoor activities, sports, and in our case trees. So they actually have images here, coniferous trees. So pick that if you're using Christmas tree, for example, or if you're using deciduous tree. So ash trees, deciduous. I'll hit it. Hit OK. So the whole group does their project worldwide. We'll see all these pop-ups of trees throughout the world. As you can see there in Donegal, we have my example. So the last thing I want to show you is how to share. So I'm going to have this all done for you. So you hit share here. So this is an automatic setting. I want to change it so anyone with this link can view, and you'll be fit to edit it now. Hit share on drive. I can email it to you, or I can copy the link. So I have the link copied here, and when you click here, tree group project on Google Maps, that will link you into the Google Map, and you can add in your tree as you wish. So best of luck, folks, and thanks for your time.